In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these physics exam repeated questions under the subtopic alpha, beta, and gamma rays in elementary modern physics. So we have 16 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, natural radioactivity is a random spontaneous disintegration of the nuclei of heavy isotopes of certain elements with emission of we have alpha, beta, and S rays, no. Alpha, S, and beta rays, no. We have alpha, beta, and gamma rays, no. Yes, that's correct. Basically, this Y stands for gamma rays. Option D says X, alpha, and gamma rays. No, so the right option is option C, which is alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Alright, take note of this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following is not an example of elementary modern physics? We have classical mechanics, nuclear physics, special relativity, quantum mechanics. The right option is option A, which is classical mechanics. Next question will be this one. It says an aluminium foil is placed across a beam of radiation from a radioactive source. Which of the following types of radiation will be stopped by it? Okay, so we have gamma particles only, alpha and beta particles, beta and gamma particles, alpha and gamma particles. So guys, the right option to this question will be option, we have this one, option B, alpha and beta particles. Alright, so the radiation that can be stopped by it is alpha and beta particles. So next repeated question with this one. It says when this element lead decays to this output, it emits where one alpha and one beta particle, two alpha and two beta particles, an alpha particle, one beta particle. So the right option is option C, which is an alpha particle. The reason is that in alpha particles, the decay of an element usually has the atomic number reduced by 2. So here, the atomic number 82 will reduce to 80, difference in 2. So that's why it's alpha particle. The next repeated question with this one, it says, which of the following statements correctly describes cathode rays? They consist of tiny particles, negative electric charges. They are deflected in a magnetic field but not in an electric field. They consist of fast moving neutrons and deflected in an electric field. So the right option is option B, I only. That's the correct one there. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following metals will provide the greatest shield against ionizing radiation? We have manganese, lead, iron, aluminium. So the right option is option B, which is lead. Very important. Take note of this question. Next question will be this one. It says one of the properties of gamma rays is that they are neutral, negatively charged, positively charged, massive. This question is also very simple. The right option is option A, they are neutral. Next question will be this one. You say the diagram above illustrates the penetrating power of some types of radiation S, Y, and Z are likely. So from this diagram we have here, this one that is having the highest penetrating power, this X is the gamma rays, seconded by this Z, which is the beta particle, and lastly this Y, which is the alpha particle. Alright, so guys, the right option to this question will be this X is the gamma rays, which is this Y ray. The Z is the beta particle, so Z is beta and Y is alpha particle. Okay, so the right option this question, guys, will be option D. So it's as simple as this. This is the right option. The next repeated question will be this question. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. We really appreciate this. So this question says gamma rays are produced when we have energy changes occur within the nucleus of atoms. High velocity electrons are abruptly stopped in metals. Energy changes occur within the electronic structure of atoms. Electrons are deflected in very strong magnetic fields. So the right option this question is option A, which is energy changes occur within the nucleus of atoms. The next question with this one, it says a nucleus of this expression decays to form a nucleus of this expression. This is an example of, we have option A, gamma decay, an alpha decay, beta decay, a neutron decay. So the right option to this question is option C, which is a beta decay. The reason is that in beta decay an element's atomic number is usually increased by 1. So atomic number of helium here increased from 1 to 2. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says an element X of atomic number 88 and mass number 226 decays to form an element Z by emitting 2 beta particles and an alpha particles. Z is represented by, okay, it says 2 beta particles and an alpha particle. So guys, looking at this expression we have here, the right option this question will be, because basically this 226 4 will be subtracted from it, you will have 222. So whereas the atomic number remain the same, so the right option will be option A, which is this one here. We have, when you subtract 4 from this 226, you have 222 left, and the atomic number remain the same. So that will be the outcome of this decay. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, during the nuclear reaction described by this expression, the particles emitted are respectively. So if you check here, this atomic number of this element got increased by 1, which is beta, and then reduced by 2 from 93 to 91, which is alpha. So option C is the right option. It's as simple as this. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following particles cannot be deflected by both electric and magnetic field? Now take note of this question, guys. We have alpha particles, gamma rays, wave particles, beta particles. So guys, the right option this question will be option B, which is gamma rays. Gamma rays cannot be deflected by both electric and magnetic fields. Next question will be this one. It says, a certain radioactive source emits radiation that were found to be deflected by both magnetic and electric field. Radiation are ultraviolet rays, no X-rays, gamma rays, beta rays. So guys, the right option this question will be option B, option D, rather, beta rays. Beta rays can be deflected by both magnetic and electric fields. So lastly, before I end this video, is this question. It says, when an atom undergoes a beta decay, the atomic number of the nucleus, I think this question is very simple, becomes 0, decreases by 1, increases by 1, remains unchanged. So the right option is option C, which is increases by 1. So guys, this basically can do problems involving alpha, beta, and gamma rays in elementary modern physics. For questions in physics, hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button, where we get special information that will help to simplify your academic problem. Now, having done that, click on the screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.